Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to customize the appearance of the Stimulsoft viewer in a Python application. Open your IDE with the project folder, run the project, By default, the viewer uses the blue theme. However, you can choose from 8 themes with different accent colors. Import StivViewer theme and arms from the Stimulsoft viewer module. You can change the viewer theme using the theme property. Save the changes and restart the project. This approach allows you to customize the viewer's appearance more subtly. You can define not only GUI settings, but also other appearance properties. For example, you can change the border color of the report pages. You can also enable shadow effects for report pages. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.